This is the D7 RJ45 solution. And the insert can be used inside our very compact solution of the hoods and housing series. It's useful for the industrial 4.0 communication, so with a high-speed data transmission with the RJ45 interface. On the cable side, we can use the cable-to-cable connection, IDC solution from our brand, and the crimp solution. Put in on the cable side with a very good plastic solution or a metal version. And on the other side, on the device side, we have a gender changer that can be put inside the overmolded cable, and it's a very easy and very fast solution for the industrial area.